If you're looking for great weather, cocktails, and seafood, you really can't beat Yacht Bar and Kitchen. Join us as we go in the kitchen with the Greater Fort Lauderdale Food and Wine Festival presented by Visit Lauderdale. What makes Yacht Bar and Kitchen special? I've never been here before. This is probably going to be my new favorite place in all of South Florida.
Yeah, well, you'll see printed on our menus and on our t-shirts and most of our, anything that you see like signs and whatnot, it says SFL. Most people think that stands for South Florida, but in actuality it's the concept service, food, and location. We believe deeply that those are the three fundamental keys to have when having a successful restaurant that people like to go, you know?
To learn more about Yacht Bar and Kitchen and other restaurants in the Greater Fort Lauderdale, visit sunny.org.